Welcome, boys, once again in our Bengali class. In our last class, we have revised vowels and its matras, which we have learned already in class 5. Today, I'd like to revise Bengali consonants, and please write down from the board and learn. These Bengali consonants are also very important, and as I told you that both Hindi and Bengali both have been originated from Sanskrit, so there are a lot of resemblance in these subjects with minor differences, like the script, art of writing. Hindi is written in Devanagari script, Bengali is written in Bengali script. In Hindi we give more stress on a, ka, kha, ga, gha and so on, and Bengali we give more stress on okar, ko, kho, go, gho and so on. And the pronunciation in few letters. So let us start. And I'd like to request you that please repeat with me wherever you are, whether in home or wherever you are, sitting in front of computer or mobile. Like you see Banjan Borno. Bengali consonants are called Bangla Banjan Borno. Consonants like vowels are known as Swarvarna or Swarvarna. Consonants are known as Banjan Varna or Banjan Borno. And see ko. In Hindi we pronounce it as ka, but in Bengali we pronounce it as ko, kho, go, gho, ua, cho, cho, boige jo, jho, iya, to, tho, do, dho, murdhuna, to, tho, do, dho, duntunna, po, pho, bo, bho, mo. Now you see, ya in Hindi is known as untostha jaw. So we call it untostha jaw. But when we use the word, like suppose we are writing the word yak, then in that time we will use this untostha. You see, this is one of the difference in Bengali. So then comes raw, law. Then again you see that I have repeated ba, because in Hindi we have ba as well as in Hindi we have, you see, ba and wo. But in Bengali, it does not exist. in Bengali. So just to maintain the order, we write in this chart, I have written in this chart, Bo twice. That means Bo has been repeated twice. Talbor Sha, Murdunnu Sha, Donto Sha, Ha, Ra, Ra, Ontostha. In fact, this, as per the pronunciation, in the time of pronunciation or writing, Ya, we use this Ya. This is called Ontostha. Then Khandottha, Anushar, Visarga and Chandrabindu. Apart from this, we have certain other letters regarded as consonants, that is Karnish Kha, Aksha in Hindi, you know. Tra. This kind of letter, when it is used for vowels, we call it A. But here we call Tra, like Trish, Gyan, Gyan, Gyan. Like, I'd like to tell you that, like Khoti. Khoti means loss. Then Trish. Trish means 30. And Gyan. Wisdom. So this is the way we use it. This is the way we use the different kinds of consonants. I'd like to tell you that we learned matras, like with the this ka, we can write kak, means kawa, kha, khargosh, ga, gan, song, gha, ghoda, wa,